Best online universities offering scholarships in 2025. Hello everyone, welcome back online. Thinking about earning your degree but worried about the cost? What if we told you that some of the top online universities are offering scholarships in 2025, making quality education more affordable than ever? Whether you're aiming for a bachelor's, master's, or even a PhD, these universities are helping students like you succeed without the burden of massive student debt. What's in this video? We'll break down the best online universities offering scholarships in 2025, how you can apply, and expert tips to increase your chances. Stick around till the end for a special bonus. Powerful scholarship strategies you don't want to miss. Number 1. Why online degrees with scholarships are a big deal. Online degrees are booming, and for good reason. With flexibility, lower costs, and access to global programs, online learning is a total game changer. But here is the best part: many top universities now offer scholarships exclusively for online students. That means you can save thousands in tuition, avoid or reduce student debt, earn a respected degree from anywhere in the world. Number 2. Top 10 online universities offering scholarships in 2025. 1. University of the People USA. Scholarship up to 100% coverage for associate, bachelor's, and master's degrees. Field: business, computer science, health science. Tip: apply early. Scholarships are need-based and competitive. 2. Southern New Hampshire University SNHU Online. Scholarship: over $50 million awarded annually. Highlights: undergrads up to $6,000. Grad students up to $4,000. No separate application, just apply for admission. 3. Arizona State University ASU Online. Scholarships: Obama Scholars Program. Dean's Award up to $5,000 year. Best 4. Engineering, psychology, business. Bonus: extra support for military veterans. 4. Liberty University Online. Scholarship: Liberty Advantage up to $2,500 for undergraduates. Perks: over 350 online programs with a faith-based foundation open to all. 5. Purdue University Global. Scholarship: Exceltrack Scholarship 20% tuition discount. Best 4. Fast-track degrees in criminal justice and nursing. 6. Western Social Work, Nursing. 9. Northeastern University Online. Scholarship: Dean's Leadership Award up to $10,000. Why we love it: ideal for working professionals and future leaders. 10. Open University UK. Scholarship: distance learning bursaries for international students. Highlight: over 200 online degrees. Number 3. How to apply and win scholarships. Step 1. Research like a pro. Winning scholarships starts with smart research. Here is how to find hidden opportunities. Asterisk. 1. University websites. Navigate to the Financial Aid or Scholarships tab. Look for keywords like online student scholarships or distance learning awards. Example: ISS Scholarship Portal filters options for online learners. 2. Scholarship databases. Use platforms like fastweb.com, scholarships.com, capx.com. Set alerts for online degrees and your field of study. 3. Niche opportunities. Employer-sponsored programs, for example, Starbucks College Achievement Plan. Professional associations, for example, IEEE for engineering students. Step 2. Prepare a standout application. Scholarship committees review thousands of applications. Make yours unforgettable. A documents checklist. Transcripts, request official copies. Early processing can take weeks. Letters of recommendation. Ask professors or supervisors who know your work. Provide them with your sum and scholarship goals. Proof of enrollment, acceptance letter or class schedule. B. The winning essay formula. 1. Hook. Start with a personal story or shocking minute tech glitches, for example, crashing websites. 3. Follow up. Email the financial aid office after 2 weeks. Dear Obi, I wanted to confirm receipt of my application for the UK scholarship. Thank you for your time. Step 4. Leverage additional resources. Maximize your chances with these often overlooked strategies. 1. Local scholarships. Community foundations, Rotary clubs, and small businesses. Example, the Your Town Women's League offers $1,000 for online nursing students. 2. Social media. Follow universities on LinkedIn, Twitter for last-minute announcements. 3. Appeal letters. If rejected, politely ask for feedback and reapply next cycle. Number 4. Bonus tips and common mistakes. Myth number 1. Only straight students win. False. Committees look for well-rounded candidates. For example, WGUS Returning to Learning Scholarship prioritizes adult learners with work experience. Liberty's Champion Award values community service over GPA. Mistake number 1. Ignoring smaller scholarships. $500 here and there adds up. Combine small awards like this. 1. Stackable scholarships. SNHU lets you combine multiple awards, for example, $2,000 military plus $1,000 merit. 2. Renewable awards. Example, UF Online's Gator Nation renews annually if you maintain a 3.0 GPA. Mistake number 2. Generic applications. Cutting corners kills your chances. Here is how to personalize. Tailor essays. Mention the university by name and specific programs. Bad. I want to study business. Good. ASS Zoom In on Entrepreneurship course aligns with my startup goals. Video submissions. Some scholarships, for example, Northeastern's Innovator Award. Allow 2-minute videos. Tip. The Scholarship Tracker. Stay organized with this free template. Columns to include: deadline, amount, requirements, submission status, contact info. Tools: Google Sheets, Trello, or Notion. There you have it, best online universities with scholarships in 2025. Which one will you apply to? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more education tips. Want the full list with links? Check the description below. Now go chase that degree. Our future self will thank you.